So in the last session, we have seen what are flashcard and how to create it. So let's move on to the next part, which is creating a quiz using a NotebookLM. So for this, I will choose a new notebook. Let's create a new notebook here. Okay. And before adding sources, I would like to show you one more feature, which is called add note. Okay. So you might have, created some note in your meeting or from the lecture. Okay, how to add that, let's see. Apart from adding the sources. Okay, click on add note over here. Okay, and I have one ready-made note. Okay, so this I'm creating about cyber security awareness. Okay, you can create a note, and you can convert to source. Okay, let's convert this to source. Okay, it will get added over here. Apart from that, I will add few more source. Okay, click here. So I will add cybersecurity awareness training, phishing attack examples PDF, NIST cybersecurity basic guide PDF, and common cybersecurity threats for employees. So these are the different three are PDF, and one is like I will ask to do the web search. Okay, let's do a research. So here we saw another way of adding source. Okay, it has created, I think there are 5 more sources. Let's import all of them. So let's name it as cybersecurity awareness quiz for employees. Okay, let it import all those. Okay, it has imported all the sources. So let's go back and click on. If you click here, it will take it as default. So you can click on that pen icon over here so that you can customize. So we have seen this in flashcard also, that you get a fewer more standard, easy, medium, hard kind of option. Let me select a fewer option here. Okay, and let's give a prompt as create a 12 question employee cybersecurity awareness quiz using only the uploaded sources. Include 10 multiple choice questions and 2 scenario based questions. Provide the answer key at the end. Okay, let's try this. Okay, click on generate over here. So it is generating based on 6 sources we have attached. One is like we added as a note and which we converted as a source. So it has created the quiz. Let's have a check of it. Okay, so it has exactly created the 12 questions. Okay, so it is also providing you the which is the right answer, and if you go next, it is also providing the hint. Okay, so if you remember, we had asked for 12 question employee cybersecurity awareness quiz. Okay, so this way it will allow you to delete any particular quiz question also. So you can again share this. So this way you can create multiple quizzes and using the sources. So it will be helpful for your company meetings, short meetings. Okay, in school you can add sources and come up with a quiz for students. Okay, so I want you to explore other area where you can try out it standard, more hard, easy. Okay, so let's see you in next session on infographic. Thank you.